Hey friends, welcome back to the channel. Are you getting a cranks but doesn't start? Just like this one right here. I'm gonna show you today 2 things to check. Do not change your fuel pump yet. It could be the fuel pump. However, a lot of the times it's either the fuse that goes to the fuel pump relay or the inertia switch. Let me show you where these are located. I'll show you how to do this in the truck, but just so you can see, look, I got the manual right here. Here's the fuel pump shutoff switch. This switch is designed, like they call it an inertia switch too. It's designed if you got in an accident that it would cut off the fuel. I'm gonna show you where underneath the glove compartment that you push down on it, but that's one thing we're gonna check. The second one is a fuse. So the fuse is, let's take a quick look right here at number 9. That's the fuse we're gonna go after, this 20 amp fuel pump relay. So that is a fuse that connects to the relay. The relay is permanent. We cannot change the relay. However, this 20 amp fuse, if you're getting a crank and no start, there's a good chance that you blew that fuse or that you need to reset the fuel pump cutoff switch. Let's take a look. All right, we're on the passenger side of this F-150, tucked in here kind of tight, right where your right foot would be. You're gonna pull on that tab, that plastic piece just pops off. There's your fuse box. You'll need a screwdriver to pop in that little hole, and you just kind of like pull up on it and it'll pop off pretty easily. There's your fuses. So look at the left hand side of this fuse box. That you can see there's 2 yellow fuses. The top one of those two, 20 amp. That one goes to the relays. This is the relay right in here. It's one of these. It's permanent though, so you're not gonna mess around with that. Also, here's the inertia or fuel cutoff switch right here, that little orange part at the top. You can reach in there and push down on that button, even if you're unsure if it's like popped up or not. You can always push down, it won't hurt anything. But check that inertia switch, push down on it. Check that fuse I just showed you. By the way, did you know that you should have a fuse puller right here, that little white thing right there. Take it out, that can help you pull out the fuse if you need. You can use needle nose pliers as well.